There are many technological gadgets available today, but only a few are truly useful. We've scoured the depths of the Amazon marketplace to bring you the wildest and most outrageous gadgets on the market. From high-tech interactive drones and smart camping stoves to wacky kitchen gadgets, we've got it all. So get ready for a wild ride as we unveil the most insane gadgets that you can actually buy on Amazon today. This is the ultimate camp stove that allows you to cook your meals and charge your devices, all while enjoying the great outdoors. This wood-burning stove is designed to generate electricity from the heat of the fire, which can be used to charge your USB devices. The BioLite Campstove 2 is easy to use and portable, making it the perfect addition to your camping gear. Its efficient combustion technology means that you can cook your meals with less fuel and without hurting the environment. This camp stove is not only functional, but also comes with a built-in LED light, making it easy to cook in low-light conditions. With the BioLite Campstove 2, you can say goodbye to traditional camp stoves and hello to the best camping trip ever. Right now, it's about $150. And this is the perfect mug for all your hot beverage needs. This mug allows you to set and maintain your preferred temperature for hours, ensuring that your drink stays at the perfect temperature from the first sip to the last drop. The Ember Smart Mug 2 is easy to use. Simply download the app and connect your mug to your phone. Then you can set the temperature you want, change the settings, and get a notification when your drink is at the right temperature. Not only that, this smart mug is convenient, but it's also stylish and durable. It's perfect for your kitchen or office because it looks nice and is built to last. Say goodbye to lukewarm coffee and tea and hello to the perfect temperature every time with the Ember Smart Mug 2. The Katchy automatic indoor insect trap is an easy-to-use solution to keep your home bug-free. Its UV light attracts flying insects, and a fan sucks them in and traps them on a sticky glue board. The design is simple, user-friendly, and blends in with your home decor. It effectively captures a variety of flying insects, including mosquitoes, flies, and gnats, without any harmful chemicals. It's a safe and eco-friendly solution to bug problems. The sticky glue board is easily replaceable, and it's recommended to replace it at least once a month. With its ability to be placed almost anywhere, this insect trap is an excellent choice for anyone looking for an effective and affordable way to protect their family from bugs. Right now, it costs about $45. Are you tired of struggling to hold a flashlight while working on a project or repairing something in the dark? Look no further than LED flashlight gloves. These gloves are the ultimate tool for anyone who needs hands-free lighting. The LED flashlight gloves are designed to be lightweight and flexible, allowing you to easily manipulate objects while still providing bright and reliable lighting. These gloves are perfect for DIY projects, home repairs, outdoor activities, and so much more. With 3 brightness levels to choose from, you can adjust the lighting to suit your needs. The LED lights are long-lasting and durable, ensuring that you won't be left in the dark anytime soon. Say goodbye to cumbersome flashlights and hello to the ultimate hands-free lighting solution with LED flashlight gloves. They're perfect for anyone who wants to work smarter, not harder. And do you know what is their best advantage? It's the price, because they cost only about $15. Say goodbye to shaky footage and hello to smooth cinematic video with the Zhiyun Smooth 5S. It's the ultimate tool for anyone who wants to capture stunning video on the go. The 5S is a smartphone gimbal that allows you to capture stunning cinematic footage on the go. This handheld gimbal keeps your phone steady so that you don't get shaky video. This makes sure that your videos look smooth and professional. The Zhiyun Smooth 5S is packed with features that make it easy to use and versatile. Its intuitive controls allow you to adjust focus, exposure, and other settings with ease, while its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to take with you wherever you go. This smartphone gimbal is perfect for vloggers, content creators, and anyone who wants to capture high-quality video with their smartphone. Its long battery life and fast charging time mean that you can spend more time filming and less time recharging. Did I mention that right now? It costs $169? Get ready to spread your wings with the Angel Wings wireless charger. This stunning charger not only keeps your phone powered up, but also doubles as a gorgeous decoration for your home or office. The Angel Wings wireless charger is compatible with all kinds of smartphones, including iPhones and Androids, and charges quickly and efficiently. Plus, with its beautiful design, it's sure to be a conversation starter. Whether you're looking for a unique gift for a loved one or a stylish addition to your own space, the Angel Wings wireless charger is a perfect choice. With its functional charging capabilities and eye-catching design, it's sure to become your new favorite accessory. So why settle for a boring charger when you can add some wings to your life with the Angel Wings wireless charger? And you can get it for only $37. The Backbone One mobile gaming controller is a physical controller that connects to your iPhone to provide a more precise and immersive gaming experience. It features dual analog joysticks, a D-pad, and a full set of buttons, making it much easier to control your game than with just the touchscreen. The controller also features haptic feedback, providing a tactile response to your actions and making the gaming experience feel more immersive. It's easy to use. Just plug it into your phone's lightning port and it charges your phone while you play. The Backbone One is compatible with a wide range of iOS games, including some of the most popular titles, and supports Apple Arcade. With its social gaming features, it's an excellent investment for any mobile gamer. The current price is about $100. From hiking in the mountains to camping in the wilderness, the Solar Charger Power Bank is the ultimate accessory for any camping enthusiast. Introducing the ultimate power bank for outdoor adventurers. With a massive 60,000 mAh capacity and 32 built-in LEDs, this portable charger is perfect for anyone who needs reliable power on the go. The Solar Charger Power Bank is compatible with all kinds of smartphones, including iPhones, and can also charge other USB devices. Its high-capacity battery means that you can charge your phone multiple times before needing to recharge the power bank itself. But the best part? The Solar Charger Power Bank is equipped with solar panels, meaning you can recharge it with the power of the sun. This makes it the ultimate tool for outdoor camping and hiking trips, allowing you to stay connected and powered up even in remote locations. Say goodbye to dead phones and hello to the ultimate outdoor power solution with the Solar Charger Power Bank. And this massive power bank costs only about $55. The KD Interactive Aura drone is a compact and easy-to-use drone that lets you explore the world from a new perspective. The drone is Wi-Fi enabled and can be controlled using a free app, allowing you to view and share your aerial footage. It's also compatible with VR headsets, offering a fully immersive flying experience. This drone can be taken to the next level by pairing it with the GestureBotics glove controller. With the glove controller, you can control the drone using hand gestures, making the flying experience even more immersive and intuitive. With a one-touch stunt button, you can perform impressive flips and rolls. The Aura drone is the perfect tool for capturing aerial footage of your adventures, exploring new horizons, and impressing your friends and family. The Samsonite lumbar support pillow is the perfect solution for anyone who spends a lot of time sitting. This innovative pillow is designed to provide extra support for your lower back and help reduce discomfort and pain. It is made so that it fits any chair, and the strap can be adjusted so that it fits your needs. The lumbar support pillow is also made with high-quality memory foam that molds to your body and provides comfort and support for hours. Plus, its breathable mesh cover allows for air circulation to keep you cool and comfortable. Don't let back pain bring you down. Give this pillow a try and enjoy the benefits of good posture and a happy spine. Plus, you'll look extra cool with a pillow strapped to your chair. Did I mention that the price right now is only about $20? Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos of various tech and gadget reviews. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.